In this video, we will explain why a HEPA13 exhaust filter is needed and how you can install it into a BVC vacuum unit. The HEPA13 clean air filter is used when the exhaust air cannot or should not be vented outside, for example, a passive house. With the HEPA13 filter, the exhaust air is filtered up to 99.95%. This guarantees the best air quality even in recirculation mode. BVC recommends regular inspection and replacement after at least 200 operating hours. Please note that the main plug must be removed before any intervention on the central vacuum unit. Disassemble the BVC suction unit from the wall. The link to our detailed video instructions for removing the vacuum pipeline, control cable, and exhaust pipe can be found in the description and the YouTube card. To insert the HEPA13 filter, first loosen the 3 screws on the motor cover. For this, you will need a Torx T20 screwdriver. Remove the motor cover and turn it over. You will now see the foam with the plastic insert for the HEPA13 filter. Insert the HEPA13 filter into the engine cover. Place the filter centered on the retainers and push it downwards. The retainer should click to hold the filter in place. If you want to remove a used filter, push the retaining tab slightly away from the HEPA filter towards the outer housing, and then remove it. Turn the motor cover over and place it on the housing of the central unit. Fix 3 Torx screws to the motor cover. Please note that the BVC central vacuum cleaner may only be operated if the motor cover is properly fixed to the housing with the 3 original screws. Hang the central vacuum unit back onto the wall bracket and mount the dust duct, exhaust duct, low voltage cable, and power line. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and turn on all notifications to never miss a BVC video.